Hi guys, here's another successful Emmc reprogramming on the Tecno BF7 Spark Go 2023. So this is the flashing process. As you can see on the screen. I'm flashing it with CM2 after reprogramming it with easy Jtag bus. It's a successful one again. So we are waiting for the phone to boot up successfully. So as I earlier said, you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So I'm waiting for the phone to boot successfully after reprogramming it with the latest flash file on the internet. So Emmc 64G, that is the Emmc ID, Emmc 64G. So as you can see, it has already it's booted completely. So I'm trying to set up the country and region. So easy Jtag bus is a very good reprogramming tool for dead Android phones and also used to unlock. So guys, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. I promise to be consistent with more content on repairs, okay? So the only issue here is just to write the IMEI, because the IMEI will be blank. Just to write the IMEI, which is the NVRAM, because I forgot to do the backup, the security backup. So everything is successful and is working perfectly well. Okay, as you can see, it's blank. Okay, so I'll do that with a Pandora bus later. Thanks and God bless you.